Welcome back to Earning with Bits, guys. Today, let's do an update on VieFaucet and make a 200,000 Pepe withdrawal. Get started by signing in with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. After you log in, your dashboard should be on the left and your balance is on the top of your screen. You can earn by doing surveys, installing apps on the offer wall, PTC ads, Shortlinks, and the Faucet. Let's get started by selecting Faucet. Next, solve the CAPTCHA in the center of your screen. Great, your balance should be updated. Next, let's select PTC on your dashboard. As you can see, there are over 400 sites you can view. This is a good way to earn Pepe. Let's click one of the window ads. Now view the ad until the timer runs down. You should see a timer on the top right. Solve the CAPTCHA when the timer runs down. Great, we got paid. When you're done viewing websites, you can also do short links or the offer wall. There's over 300 short links you can do. You also get a free bonus claim every day. Make sure to claim that as well. When you're ready to cash out, select Withdraw on your dashboard. Now choose which coin and what wallet you want to withdraw to. I'm going to withdraw 200,000 Pepe to my Faucet Pay. Scroll down, solve the CAPTCHA, and select Withdraw. Great, next let's go to our Faucet Pay account to make sure we got paid. Fantastic! As you can see, the coins have arrived in my wallet. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.